From the perspective of certain Arab states, that's not how they see Turkey's presence there, given that Turkey is a strong ally of Qatar.
Coming to the UAE's involvement, I think they tried to do something with the involvement in different level of mainly security. But in the meantime, they are not in rivalry with Turkey. Turkey is not competing with any country actually, and we are over all the this political rivalry. Actually, their competition now, after particularly the Farmajo's government, their competition with Qatar, because Farmajo announced that they will be neutral, not to support any of the camp. So they are putting pressure on Somali government to take part, actually to support their camp. In the meantime, there was some dirty things they have been doing, distributing money to some politicians, some other, political actors. So this is actually bring the more kind of competition, and also fueling the the feelings of Somalis against UAE. And what happened in Mogadishu airport when they seized money, about $10 million. So the relationship gets sore, and then the Bosaso issue come, and they ended with all the military agreements with Somalia. Actually, what they have done in Berbera, they did a unilateral deal with the Somaliland government. Somaliland is not a recognized country.
Right.
At the moment, all these kind of issues should go through Mogadishu as only recognized government.
Right, and the UAE
in the international community
circumvented the Mogadishu authority.
Tani
Torum, I'm so sorry. Unfortunately, we are well over time for this segment. I'd like to thank you and Umar Karim so much for joining us on this edition of the Newsmakers.